Hey friends, how long has it been since you cleaned your washing machine? I know that's something we really don't think about too often. We think, well, it's washing itself with all of the detergent, but there's a lot of dirt and buildup that can get inside of the components of the washing machine and actually make your wash fairly dirty with the water that remains in there. So these cleaning tablets are a great solution. You can see they clean, deodorize, refresh, and protect. We've got 24 tablets that come in this specific box. You can see that's a 1-year supply. So you're actually supposed to do this a couple of times a month. So here are the steps on the back. These are important to follow. You need to make sure the washing machine is empty. Don't wash clothes with this specific product. It will harm them. Add a tablet directly to the washing drum. You don't place this in the detergent holder. You're gonna run the washer on normal, or if you have a clean water cycle, you're gonna run it that way. And then you need to use a towel to wipe down any leftover residue inside of the washing machine drum. That just gets all the chemicals that are in these cleaning tablets off of there. Okay, down here at the washer, we can open up the box, and as you can see, it has a nice little checkbox so that you're doing this again twice a month and can remember where you were at. This also comes with a thank you card. You can see directly from Jess here, this is a small business, and so we really do like supporting them. So these are packaged individually. Again, be careful, keep these out of the way of kids. You don't want them mistaking this for like a candy or something like that. Okay, here's what that tablet looks like inside. We're just gonna throw it right down into our drum. Now we don't have a clean water setting, so I'm gonna go ahead and push the power button here, and then we are gonna select normal. You can see it right there, and go ahead and just hit that start button and it will do its thing.